Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy your LinkedIn URL. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website, within which if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to enter your credentials or log in using your Google account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to find your account URL and share it with someone, then click on the Me icon at the top right corner and then click on View Profile. Once you click on View Profile, you will find your account URL within the URL screen of your web browser, which you can copy and directly share with anyone. Now, if you wish to change this URL, you can click on the Edit icon alongside your profile, from which you can scroll down and click on Edit Contact Info. You will then again find your profile URL, which you can click on, and you will find the Edit Your Custom URL section. You can click on the Edit button and you will be allowed to edit your custom URL. Once you enter your custom URL, click on the Save button, and now you can share this custom URL with anyone that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to copy and share your URL on LinkedIn with your preferred individuals and companies. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.